Hello everyone, it's a project in the field of computer-aided design performed by Sofia Panchak. And the title of this project is the implementation of design and simulation of a lamp in the SolidWorks environment and development of an application for computer-aided design by applying the code of the design system using the C# programming language. So now you can see in your screen the main code of that project, and I'm going to tell you about it. So in the beginning, we just load all the necessary references for the SolidWorks. Then the main form is loaded, and when the user enter, he push a special button. The process of SolidWorks is started. So in the beginning, we just load the CosmoWorks. This library is needed for the simulation in SolidWorks. Then we just put a special variables for successful simulation, and we begin an active study, and we call it as thermal 1. So the system is creating a new study, and here we just set a material for the main part of the lamp. We are using the material alloy steel, and here is the material for the diode. Then we just select by ray the diode and the basic part of the lamp and set the relation between them. Here is a special values is needed to create a successful thermal analysis. Also here you can see we select the 5 sides of the diode which will get warm, and by using a function heat power begin edit, and then they will get warm on the value which user enter in the form in the text box. Then we just finish and make visible our results and run analysis. So now I'm going to show you how is everything work in the real. So I push start, appears a special form. Here by default is 1 watt, and I'm going to do analysis. As we can see, the analysis was performed here in the window of the SolidWorks, and we can see the results and what user enter value. So the simulation with the helping of the application worked successfully, despite the fact that the software was able to perform only calculation for one diode. You can see that the main goal of the study was achieved. In order to implement flow simulation instead of the usual one, it's necessary to either change the product version or increase the system resources. So the design and simulation of a lamp in the SolidWorks environment was successfully carried out, and the CAD application was developed by applying a design system in the API code using the C# programming language. Thank you all for attention.